Hello guys, welcome to Mark's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you some Mpotɔmpotɔ recipe, and it's a mixture of cocoyam and sweet potatoes. Yes, so please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and let's get started. And so I have with me cocoyam and sweet potatoes. I also have some tomatoes, pepper and onion. You can use 1 tomato or 2. The quantity depends. This is salted beef and my smoked fish. I'm also going to make use of red oil, that's palm oil, and also dawa, mixed natural spices, bay leaf, ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'm going to wash the potato and the cocoyam and then peel them very well. So that's what I'm going to do. Please, if you are here and you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I want to beg you to subscribe, like and share this video. If you have already subscribed, I want to say thank you and God bless you. So after washing and peeling and washing, I'm going to chop them into the size and shapes that I want. You don't really have a specific size and shape, just slice them or chop them. And so this is the sweet potato. I'm adding the cocoyam also to it, and then I'm going to add my salted beef also to it. This is Ghana locals. You will love it, so give this recipe a try and you will not regret. I'm also going to chop my onions into 4 and then add it to the cocoyam and the sweet potatoes. And I'm also going to add my tomatoes. As I said, you can reduce the quantity. You can use 1. You can even decide not to use tomatoes at all. And I'm adding my dawa also to it. I added the pepper to it. I'm adding a bit of water, not too much, just a little. Then I'll cover and allow it to cool. But before that, I'm going to add this. That's half a teaspoon of salt, just a little, because of the salted beef. You don't need much. Later you can decide to add more when you taste. So my tomatoes or the veggies are ready. I'm going to take them from the cocoyam and the sweet potato and then blend everything together very smoothly. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified and watch them. I'm adding the dawa also to it. So I'm taking all the dawa, the veggies, everything. I'm adding my ginger and garlic and natural mixed spices, which are optional. So I just finished blending them and I just poured everything onto the cocoyam. I'm adding a little bit of water. Stir everything together and then allow it to cook. Give it time to cook very well. Please consider subscribing, like and share this video. So let's cover and give it time to cook, and we are checking and it has cooked very well. And so at this point you can decide to mash some of the potatoes and the cocoyams. Yes, you don't need to mash everything smoothly. You still want something that we can chew, and so you just mash some and then leave some in it. So I'm just using my wooden spoon to break some of them. And at this point you can taste. If the salt is not okay, you add a bit. And so I'm going to add my smoked fish to it and then stir everything together. Then I would cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. At this point the food is already cooked. The next thing to do is to add the oil to it. So let's cover, and then we're going to work on our oil, that is palm oil, zumi. And so we'll allow it to melt. I just added 1 bay leaf to it, and I'm going to slice 1 onion and then add everything to the oil, and I'm going to fry this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want it to fry too much. I don't want it very tender, no, and I don't want it to look brown. So just 2 to 3 minutes will be okay For me, I still want to see some freshness in it. Okay, so that's what we are doing now. And so something like this is okay for me, and we are going to take it off fire. And then we are going to pour it on our potatoes and cocoyam. You can actually decide to use only potato for this or only cocoyam. Sometimes you can use yam for this. So anything goes, okay, however you want it. And so this is it. Just stir everything together and then just leave it on fire for at most 2 minutes and you are done. This is our Mpotɔmpotɔ, Ghana locals. You will love every bit of it. So give this recipe a try and you will not regret it at all. You will enjoy it. Ankasa, ankasa. And so I serve this in the evening and I'm going to add some avocados to it to enjoy it, and then I'll also add some boiled eggs to it. If you are here and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So these are my boiled eggs. I've sliced them and I'm going to add them to the potatoes. Yes. So this is it, and we are done and ready to enjoy. In fact, I really enjoyed this. My family enjoyed it. So you too give it a try and you will love it. Even if you are not a Ghanaian, give this food a try. You will not regret at all. And so that is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and watch out for another sumptuous recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.